Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best reviews and top picks for innovative tech products. In today's video, we'll explore the top 9 innovative tech products. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below, so let's dive in. Let's get started at number 9. Prostormer Spray Gun. The Prostormer electric spray gun is a game changer for DIY painting projects. With its powerful 600-watt, 750-watt motor and 4 adjustable nozzle sizes, this spray gun provides precise and even coverage for any surface. It features a large 1,000 milliliters per 1,200 milliliter paint container, reducing the need for frequent refills, and a flow control mechanism for customized spraying. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, or fences, this HVLP sprayer ensures professional quality results with minimal effort. Number 8. 70mm Dashcam. The 70mm A400 Dashcam offers unmatched convenience and safety for drivers. Recording in stunning 1440p resolution, it features WDR technology and an f2.0 aperture for enhanced night vision. Built-in Wi-Fi enables app control, allowing real-time viewing and file downloads straight to your phone. Loop recording ensures you'll never run out of storage, while the optional hardwire kit supports parking surveillance, making it a perfect choice for capturing every detail on the road. Number 7. QCY T17 Earbuds. For wireless freedom and impeccable sound quality, the QCY T17 Earbuds deliver. These Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds feature hi-fi sound with ultra-low latency, making them ideal for gaming and music. Their compact design with ergonomic ear wings ensures a secure fit, while the 26-hour battery life keeps you connected all day. Noise cancellation technology enhances call clarity, and touch controls provide effortless usability. Number 6. Oukitel WP18. The Oukitel WP18 rugged smartphone is built to withstand the elements while keeping you connected. With a massive 12,500 mAh battery, it provides unparalleled battery life for outdoor adventures. The 5.93-inch display offers clear visuals, while the 13-megapixel camera captures vibrant photos. Its durable design makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or any demanding environment. Number 5. Link Dream Stand. The Link Dream RGB headphone stand combines functionality and style for gamers and tech enthusiasts. Featuring a stable anti-slip base, it securely holds any headset while offering Type-C and USB ports for charging and data transfer. With 7 RGB lighting modes, it adds a vibrant touch to your gaming setup. Easy to install and universally compatible, this stand is a must-have accessory for a tidy desk. Number 4. Retevis Walkie-Talkie. The Retevis RB628 walkie-talkies provide reliable long-range communication for outdoor activities. Compact and lightweight, these two-way radios feature a 1.8-inch LCD screen for clear visibility of channel and battery status. Equipped with a 1,500 mAh lithium battery, they support 12 hours of continuous use. Ideal for camping, hiking, and travel, they ensure efficient communication in any environment. Number 3. Greener Drill Bits. The Greener magnetic drill bits are essential for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Made from high-grade alloy steel, they offer superior durability and precision. The magnetic feature securely holds screws, reducing slippage and enhancing efficiency. Available in various sizes, these bits are compatible with electric screwdrivers, making them versatile for a wide range of tasks. Number 2. QCY T13 Earbuds. For premium audio on the go, the QCY T13 wireless earbuds are a standout choice. With 40 hours of playback and a 5-minute quick charge feature, they're perfect for busy lifestyles. The 7.2mm dynamic drivers deliver rich bass and clear treble, while ENC noise cancellation ensures crystal clear calls. Bluetooth 5.1 technology provides a stable connection, and the touch controls and customizable app make them incredibly user-friendly. Number 1. One More EVO Earbuds. The One More EVO wireless earbuds are designed for audiophiles who demand the best. With LDAC support and a 10mm DLC driver, they deliver high-fidelity sound quality. The QuietMax ANC technology offers superior noise cancellation, while 6 microphones ensure clear calls. Featuring Bluetooth 5.2, they connect to 2 devices simultaneously. The 28-hour battery life and wireless charging capability add to their convenience, making them a top-tier choice for music lovers. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.